Hey, to check your health data of the HUAWEI Band 9, you have to just open the HUAWEI Health application and you have to open Health tab in the left bottom corner. And as you can see, first of all, we can find these rings with the move, exercise and stand. Also, we can find information of the steps. And when you click on it, you will open this extension where we can find everyday counter, so we can actually check how it actually was in the first day of the May, in the Wednesday, for example. When you click on the all records, you will actually find all exercises that you were actually doing in this day. You can actually find some move activities, exercise. When you go back, you can find other things, like for example your sleep time, exercise records, the heart rate, stress level, SpO2, and that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe.